Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell on Vinted. Alright, now to be able to sell on Vinted, first we would need to open a Vinted seller account or a vendor account. Now to do so, just go ahead over to vinted.com and hit enter. Now once you're in here, instead of clicking on sign up or log in right here, just go ahead over and click on sell now, or this button right here, which says the same thing. All right, just click on it. And as you can see here, join and sell pre-loved clothes with no fees. So go ahead and use your Gmail, Apple ID, or Facebook right here to continue. If you're not using one of these, just click on this one right here. Now I have a Google account. I'm just going to use this one. Now, as you can see here, it is now loading and it says finish registration. Just type in your username right here. Let's say, for example, all right, then tick these boxes right here if you want to. Number one here, I'd like to receive personalized offers and be the first to know about the latest Vinted updates via email. Now, by clicking sign up right here, I hereby agree and consent, so on and so forth. Just click on this one right here as this one matters. All right, you can leave this unticked right here. Just hit on continue. As you can see here, it is currently verifying my device. And it says here, this one is already taken because I already have mine. So I'm just going to put in M4M FPS right here. All right, and hit on continue. As you can see, it is now loading. And here in your dashboard, you can just go ahead and click on upload photos right here to upload your items media. All right, just click on upload right here and you'll be able to pick one of your items images. Let's say, for example, this one right here, this one. Now just type in the title, for example, pajama, describe your item right here, the material that is used to make the pajama itself. You know what you'll put right here. All right. In category, just select it. All right. So you can see here, if it is for women, click on this one. If it is for man, kids, let's say, for example, man right here, clothing. Then scroll down. Go to pants. It could be sweatpants or other pants. Right here, the brand, no label, size, large, and so on and so forth. All right, just put on your price right here. For example, $10. Then select your package size. It could be for items that are small, medium, large. Small is for items that would fit in a large envelope. All right, just go ahead and select one. For example, this medium right here. Then bump item, help your item sell faster by reaching more buyers. Go ahead and click this one. This is basically an ad. When you click or tick on this one, Vinted will take your items to more buyers. All right, that's basically how you do it. If you wanted to save this one and you don't want to upload it yet, just go ahead and click on save draft. Now, if you wanted to post this one right away, just hit on upload right here, click on it. And you will need to enter your zip code right here for sales tax calculation. Just type in your zip code, hit on continue. And once done, you have just posted your first Vinted item as a vendor. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.